that chap there.
So what I have here is a passive mob farm. Right here we have a trapdoor which prevents the adult mobs from getting through. We have blocks on the side rather than fences around this area so they can't just stand on the side, they will definitely go down. We've got a block here so that when they fall through they don't land on this block here and automatically jump into the lava and die, so that all the baby mobs end up on this block here, and then they should not jump at any point because they have no reason to jump up, they'll just wander here. In case you're wondering why this is such an ugly design, I did build it on this side here, but their AIs mean that they automatically pathfind towards being as near as possible to adult mobs, which should be directly under here if all goes to plan. So, and of course we also have a hopper minecart to collect all of the items. And we can see they're all under here. The thought behind this design here was so that the only work you have to do is simply breed the animals and feed them, and everything else is fully automatic. So, this is, I feel, superior to the other designs because you don't have to turn a water dispenser on and off with a button, you don't have to turn a lava dispenser on and off with a button before you feed the animals. In fact, you don't have to interact with any redstone whatsoever. In fact, this build has absolutely no redstone whatsoever other than the rails being powered. So I'm planning to do this design on Nexum Craft, although I'm thinking it would probably look better if this bit was just above ground, everything else was underground, and then we just had a soul sand item elevator to bring things up to a chest on the surface. And obviously this won't produce very much meat at all at the beginning, but the hope is that eventually it most certainly should.